Let's compare the different features inside the Edit section of Rendair AI. Go to Rendair.ai and click on the Edit tab. Let's start with Select and Modify. Upload your base image, in this case, a site photo. Grab the brush and adjust the size as needed. Start masking the area where you want to make changes. Once done, click Done. There's no need to open the toggle parameters for this one. We're not trying to preserve anything from the base image. Now, add a prompt, something like modern apartment building, and generate a few options. Here we go. Different design ideas generated just from the prompt and your mask. Now, let's move to Sketch in Context. Upload your image again and grab the pen tool to sketch out a design. I'm imagining an apartment building with volumes that shift back from the road. Once your sketch is ready, click Done. Now the parameters matter. Since I want to keep the shape of my sketch, I'll set shape strength to around 40. But I'll bring color strength to 0 because I don't want the orange sketch lines to appear in the final result. No need to change the prompt. Just click Generate. And here we go. Results that closely match the design I sketched. Next up is Insert and Modify. Open image to edit. This time, insert your 3D model as a PNG directly into the image. Click Done. Since this model is accurate, I want to preserve its form, so I'll set shape strength to around 80. Because the model is already colored, I'll keep color strength at around 20. We'll use the same prompt and hit Generate. And here are the results. Much more accurate and closely matching our 3D model. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try out, and explore more at rendair.ai.